when you are in the real seeing. You only seeing your own weaknesses, your own bigness. And you are always seeing the qualities in others. This is where you are in the right place, in the seeing. Whenever the person is seeing so much bigness in others, so much faults in others, weaknesses in others, it's automatic way the person is putting own self in a bigger place. That is blindness in the person. This is how blindness sees. Because you're away from yourself, you're focusing others' weaknesses, others' bigness. Because when you see your own bigness, your own weaknesses, then there is real shame in the person. I always remind to be in the smallness. That itself brings the smallness in the person. Don't even want to lift the head up. Because so much there to see, to be. Because many ways the person strongly believes that I have to be in a good energy, in good feelings, in a good space. But that you earn through the seeing within you, where you see how big you are, how many weaknesses are in you. Because this is how you will earn that goodness within you. Because as you return back, you're just being present inside of you. When you seeing others, you're away from you. When you're away from you, whatever your focus is on, you accumulating inside of you at the same time. This way, you just really accumulating negativity. Continue. So many people, this is how they are really being in this negativity within. And then, of course, the person can be more hungry. I want to feel good somewhere. I must use some good vibrations, good energy. Even go to the nature, I feel so good being in the nature. It's just like taking, because you are hungry inside. Because your house is really dark inside, full with the negativity. This is how I always call your poorness. When you keep returning back in that, whatever's there, even there is a poorness now, because you have accumulated this from long time. But as you return back and being in the darkness, this is the beginning of earning back this goodness within you. Before you just beggar, you don't even know you able to be in the real treasure which is within you, not outside of you. How many times I hear the word, I should be compassionate. So many ways people are sucking each other this way. Because what is inside, this is what is being presented outside. Regardless of how bad you just, or how much work you're just doing to just be more compassionate person. You earn this real goodness within, and then whatever is coming out from you its own ways is the real compassion. Even you go in the nature, you're not really sucking the nature. You're giving the goodness to the nature. This is the real compassion. You being with someone, regardless of how the other is, you just being in own beingness, in own seeing, in own real way of whatever is there within you. It's like you're not using anything at all. And then your beingness itself is serving its purpose. Trying, doing is your own belief, borrowed belief. Because you're forgetting what is the highest way of being. Earn back, regardless what you are. At least this time you don't really miss this earning, this goodness, these qualities within you. This way you don't lean against anything. You learn this not to lean against anything. This is the real way of serving, opening the way you are, the highest way. I often remind, lay your head in. This means impersonalness. You just lay your head in. You don't need to take it. As soon as you just think about taking it, your head is lifting up. I'm getting it, I want it, or it's mine, or feels good. But the real richness is when you don't touch anything. But you, the same time, you're able to grow from it. You're able to grow from that real richness. This is how you just don't participate in this being a beggar. This is the real highest way of being, when you're so straight, regardless of what is within you. This way more is being given. your head goes down. That is your true nature. This ego is a temporary. This wanting is so temporary. It's gonna die with your body. There's no meaning in it. Many times person thinks, what about my daily life? How I'm gonna survive? You still survive without ego. It's just your fear is like that. I can't, I'm unable. Because your focus is on others still. That you will be crushed by others. When your focus is not on others, then there is nothing can destroy you. Because the truth cannot be destroyed, ever. Because this is beyond your mind, your body. This is way higher. That's why I always remind to be in the love for the higher. Love for the higher. And the openness to the lower. You're always earning this impersonalness. Always. This is how your soul arising. More pure way.